They're in the gate. And they're off. From mid-pack, it's Vex. Down toward the inside, Saucy Jade is trying to be reined in. From the far outside, there goes Mountain Rose now. And Mountain Rose, up to be the leader down inside Saucy Jade, runs in second. Vex taken back into third. Celestial Kitten, 3 wide into the turn, is now fourth. Kristen Dioro, fifth toward the inside. Hot Fever is sixth. Inflation Hedge, 3 wide and seventh. Parting Words was off last in the field, but has now moved into 8th position. 2 lengths back, and Hungry Island is now 9th. Flower Ming 10th. Tuck Market is 11th. And Gypsy Preacher, the last of 12. Up the backstretch run, Mountain Rose is the leader. Saucy Jade, second on the inside with 5 furlongs remaining here. And then Celestial Kitten settles in comfortably, while third on the outside. Vex fourth at the rail. Inflation Hedge runs in 5th. Parting Words starting to advance on the outside at the half-mile pole. Hot Fever to her inside. Into the far turn now. Mountain Rose still on top. Saucy Jade still second. Saucy Jade now. John Velasquez asking Saucy Jade for run. No serious response yet. She's still a length behind. Here's Celestial Kitten now, who's on a roll. On the outside, third, Vex. Just in behind the leaders is fourth. And then Parting Words takes to the outside. Farthest out, Inflation Hedge. Coming to the last furlong, it's Parting Words now going head-to-head with Celestial Kitten. Inflation Hedge is third, nothing left for Saucy Jade. Down to the final 100 yards, and it is Parting Words. Parting Words does it here from well off the pace to get it on the line by a length. Celestial Kitten was second, and Hungry Island third.